Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to start new lesson, the racing stag. Children, we all are creature of God, and God has made us wholehearted. Sometimes we have inferiority feeling about deficiency, which is not fair. We feel them when we need. Our weakness can only become our strength if the opportunity arises. But for this, we will have to strive. This you can understand nicely when you read this story. So, let us read this story first. The racing stag. Stag is a male deer. Once upon a time, a beautiful stag lived in a forest. One day, a group of hunters visited the forest to hunt wild animals. Seeing the hunters approach, the stag ran into the bushes, but his antlers got entangled. Children, entangle means twisted in the bushes. Okay, उलझ गए थे in the woody bushes. With all his might, he pulled the antlers from the bushes and managed to escape from the hunters. Children, he made all his effort to pull the antlers from the bushes and managed to escape from the hunters. He ran and ran until he reached a bright, clear stream of water flowing through the grassy meadow. He stopped to drink water and saw his reflection in the water. He admired his white pointed antlers. Nature has given me fine weapon to defend myself, he thought. Then he saw his legs. What weak, thin things they are, he said to himself. Could they not be thick and strong? Just then he heard a deep growl, and looking up, he saw a lion about to pounce on him. Children, pounce means jump. Okay. When he was seeing his reflection, suddenly he saw a deep growl of lion who was about to jump on him. At once he fled, racing and leaping over the long grass. His legs, that had looked so weak and feeble. Children, feeble means they don't have physical strength. उनमें कोई ताकत ही नहीं, कमज़ोर हैं बिल्कुल. Made him speed like the wind, and the lion could not keep pace with him. When he was in a safe area, he halted for breath and cried, "What a fool I am! My legs are my strongest weapons, but I kept cursing them." We often think that the most appreciated or beautiful part of our appearance is our greatest strength. But the fact is that our positive qualities and thoughts are our biggest strength. You may not like some part of your appearance, but you can always make if your strength by seeing the good in those weakness. Such weakness may be in your appearance or inner qualities. Identify your strength and weakness. Cultivate your strength and work upon your weakness. Children, we should be aware of our strength and weakness and use our strength in the right way. And weakness should be overcome because weakness affects our life. Children, if you focus on your weakness, it will decrease your self-confidence, enthusiasm, and overall performance. So, always try to strengthen your weakness so your weakness turn in your strength. Children, if you want to get success in life, you should focus on strength and try to work on weakness to improving them. Okay? So children, this was about the story. Read this story, learn the difficult words and do the question answer. Thank you and have a good day.